Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn about dictionaries, and dictionaries are extremely important in Python and in programming in general. Why? Because they are kind of small databases that you can put either directly in your source code or you can extract them from some external file. That can even be in a file that is archived, like with rar or zip or something like that. So yeah, let's just go to create one dictionary using this approach. So you will use curly brackets, and inside you will have a left side and a right side. So let's do that. For example, name will be Anastasia, and after that another element will be, I don't know, social security number or just number, it's totally up to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or something like that. So how to print everything? You'll just print DBA and that's pretty much it. So just remember, this is a pseudo code for creation, like name and curly brackets, left side and 2 dots and right side. So the terminology here is, this is a key and this is a value. Now the reason we have keys is to provide us option to extract values, because you can have hundreds of stuff in your dictionary, which is a small database. So how to do that? Like an instruction, you will say print DBA and then you will state inside of angle brackets that key. And the result will be this one, Anastasia. You can also beautify your hard-coded report. Name is and comma, and then that will work too. Now you'll probably say, how you gonna remember all these things with the normal brackets and square brackets and curly brackets? Well, remember when you have a list, some kind of list, so when you are extracting things from that list, you will say for example, print that list, and I'm just using uppercases here, but who cares, and you will say list, and then inside of square brackets you will say that position. Okay, now this is the same approach. You're using angle brackets, but you are not staying, you're not stating number, you are stating actual string. Okay, so that's important. I mean, it's a similar thing. There must be some way of how to distinguish things, and of course how you look at it, the dictionaries are more complicated than lists. You know, lists are just a bunch of elements, and now we have a complicated thing. In one element we have two things. So yeah, the next thing will be, can we basically combine a couple of these extractions in one function? We are here using print, but we can also use another more serious function. Well, yeah, let's just simplify things here. So we will extract based on the name, and we will extract also that social security number, and the result will be pretty much what we need. Okay, now also you can put here like some arrow, like some mainframe report, like I don't know, something like that. Okay, CLS, and there you go, it looks more nicer immediately. Okay, next thing, can you change values inside of dictionary? Are they mutable? So let's do that. Okay, DBA, and inside of these square brackets you will state that specific value, key, left side, and after that you will add another value. Okay, so left side is always somehow connected with keys, and right side is connected with actual or values that you're going to set right now. So let's change the name of the person to, I don't know, Michael or something. So now when you print the DBA name, Well, the result will pretty much be Michael here, okay? And if you print everything, Michael will be, of course, the new in that dictionary, okay? So don't confuse these things. This is just the original one, and this is end result. So that works. Now, next question. Now, is there any way to actually extract like alternatively these values based on case? Well, yeah. So let me show that. You will say print dba, and then you will not open these brackets, okay? You will say dot and then get, and in normal brackets you will state that key, and then the result will be Anastasia. So it depends how you think about it, what kind of syntax is closer to your way of thinking, but you can, combine things at the end of the day. So it just depends how you like it. Now, in next tutorial we will also talk about dictionaries, but I just don't want to go to 10 minutes again. So as always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription, and see you next one.